Hello everyone, my name is Sana and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In the previous videos, we were discussing about the parts of the computer, just like computer hardwares. We have discussed many parts, just like keyboard, mouse, and microphone, webcam, motherboard, and monitor. Now, in this video, we will discuss about CPU and the other parts of the computer hardware. Mainly, we will discuss about the difference, which is difference about CPU and GPU. CPU short for Central Processing Unit, is commonly referred to as the brain of a computer. It is one of the main components of a computer system and includes the control unit and arithmetic logic unit. In short, we call it CU and ALU. It processes instructions and handles calculations and other logical operations of the computer. In short, all the processes run by the computer are taken care by the CPU. CPU is also known as processor, central processor, microprocessor, and chip. Modern computers come with multi-core processor where there are multiple CPUs in a single chip to accelerate the processing power of the computer. It mainly helps in multitasking on the computer system. Intel and AMD are currently the two popular manufacturers of computer CPUs these days. Here is a picture of the CPU. Now we will discuss about GPU and the main difference between the CPU and GPU. A graphics processing unit. GPU stands for graphics processing unit. Is a chip or electronic circuit used to display high quality images and graphics by performing rapid mathematical calculation. Although the GPU helps in processing 2D data, it also facilitates the rendering and decoding of 3D data such as animations or videos. It is also called a graphic card, video adapter, video card, and display card. Modern computers come with some amount of built-in or onboard video memory. Additionally, dedicated or external graphics cards can also be installed on supported computer system. It is usually plugged into the PCI Express, which stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect Express slot on the motherboard. Here is the image in front of you. This is showing here the GPU of the computer. The higher the memory of the graphics card, the higher the quality of the visual effects on the computer screen. However, the monitor should also be the high-end specifications of features. GPU is one of the basic requirements for a computer when playing high-end games. And now here is the another computer hardware part, which is fan. Here is the image, and I think that you are familiar with this fan. A fan is an internal part of a computer system that primarily helps to keep the computer system or its components cool by circulating air. This restricts overheating to prevent physical damage and extend the lifespan of components. Normally, the fan speed is controlled by the computer BIOS based on the temperature of the component concerned. There are several types of computer fans depending on the component they are cooling. It mainly includes a case fan, CPU fan, GPU fan, and power supply fan. The next part is sound card. As the name implies, it will control the sound of the computer. Here is the image which I have shown you. Most computers have a sound chip installed on the motherboard or generate the sound output. But to experience high definition sound output, it is always better to have a sound card. A sound card is an expansion card that can be connected to a computer system using one of the ports such as USB, the PCI slot, or the PCI Express X1 slot on the motherboard. The sound card also requires the relevant drivers and software installed on the respective computers to control the sound signals and produce high quality audio output through speakers, headphones, etc. Besides, the sound card is not the mandatory part for the basic functioning of the computer system.